hope you can hear me. I'm going on a Humpday ride. My bicycular. And I'm going up to the meeting spot to meet my friends. It's already 9 o'clock. The ride's coming to an end. It was a good one. It was so nice out. I'm heading to First Friday. I'm on my bike. I'm heading to my pants sleeves. We've already got free stuff. Some reflective stickers for our bikes.
You shall find your match in my hometown of Boulder City, Nevada.
Oh.
So say I, Goldar the Great.
You said I was going to find my match in Boulder City. Like this and people rarely engage. I kind of look like a bum, so they're just like not really trying to sell me shit, which is great. That's my favorite, honestly, like my favorite part. And you know, there's women I think that in my younger years were like, oh, I'm gonna warn you, like you become invisible when you become older. Or like if you're not attractive, and I'm like, that's exactly what I want. I only want to be visible when I want to be perceived. I think other people might be on that same wavelength with me, but I'm okay like I prefer to only be looked at when I want to be looked at. And otherwise I can like roam freely in my invisible zebra cloak.
Yummy.
That was good garlic chicken, but I'm ready to go home and go to sleep. I am so tired. I'm ready to go home. It's been fun, and I bought some stuff. I might show it later, but yeah, because it's all wrapped up. It's ceramic. And I met some two awesome ladies, and they informed me about something cool at the Cosmo looking for Vegas artists, and I showed them some of my stuff, and they were like, you should submit it. It's fucking cool. So I'm kind of excited about that. I have to find it though, because they didn't work for it. They didn't know all the information, but I'm gonna look it up and find it. And yeah, I think that would be fun to do. I'm not just showing the egg to be cute so it doesn't get stuck. That someone's trying to wolf whistle at me, but I had to do what I gotta do. I tucked it into my underwear. Let's see if it works. So it's the next morning, and I forgot that I didn't like show you what I got from First Friday. I don't always buy something. I did have a really great meal. But there was these lovely ladies that were behind the Esther's Kitchen, and they had like this ceramics set up, and there was two ladies that were there, and they were sharing that little space, and I got some really cute stuff from them. And two of them were gifts, or going to be gifts. I'll go ahead and link the Instagrams, because I'm not sure which like I bought from which. Oh, and here's another. It's Clay Arts Vegas, which is super cute. There was like a bunch of things. I think there was like 3-ish tables, I think. I'm not sure. Okay. So one is going to be a future gift for a friend that let me set this up properly. So I guess one of the names of the business is Tannins. Tannins and Tantrums. And the other one, let's see if is it gonna automatically? Oh my gosh. Okay. PFK Handcrafted. Okay, so I sort of semi-set this up. But this I just thought was a cute little tchotchke, but apparently it's a spoon rest. So if you're like having tea or coffee, you can lay your spoon there. And it was only $5, but look how freaking adorable. It is so cute. And this is one of the ones by Tannins and Tantrums. There's their little stamp there. Cute. Stick the sticker here. So that's going to be a gift for somebody very special. I loved the bugs. I was half tempted to keep it for myself, but I know somebody who I was thinking of that definitely would appreciate that. And I really thought it was cute for even like not for a spoon rest. I was in my mind, the first thing that popped up was like, oh, I can like put my earrings or a ring there by my bedside. There's all kinds of cute stuff. And then this is going to be for my mom because she used to collect little bird houses, and I just thought this was the cutest tiny little thing. And how beautiful. So cute. And the little star or flower here was just perfection. And I love the little roof tiles. Such a cute little touch to that. Also kind of looks like fish scales. I'm sure they could reuse whatever molding they did for that, but this house is just too cute to pass up, so I had to get it. And I think this was like $8, so also affordable, cute little gift. And it's pretty heavily weighted. I think it's just a full piece of clay. At first, when I first got it, I was like, oh, that might just be like hollowed out or something on the inside. But no, it's a pretty sturdy. It could be even like double as a mini paperweight or something. Thought that was cute. My favorite thing though, the thing that caught my attention though, and the reason that I even stopped was for something that I ended up hanging in my bathroom in the corner. It's a mobile. It's a like pastel rainbow mobile with these cute little little clouds. It's so adorable. I love it. It's all ceramic. And the artist, she was telling me a story of how that mobile came to be and how, you know what, it was waiting for somebody like me. So it's absolutely perfect. And it was meant for me and for my bathroom. But yeah, it's definitely time for me to like get up. I need to shower and get on with my day and do laundry or whatever. But anyways, bye. Thank you for coming along the last few days, sort of ish mixed together. Okay, bye.